Hi, I'm Brittany Wheelan and I am an Ultimate Salon Professionals Educator. I'm here today with my model Liberty and we're going to be doing a very basic French braid. To prep this look, I'm going to be using the Enjoy Shine and Smooth that I'm going to be cocktailing together with the Enjoy Creamy Pomade. This is going to help with any flyaways that are going to happen when we're braiding. To get started, I'm going to be starting right here at the hairline, and I'm going to take 3 strands. I'm going to loop over 3 times, and then I'm going to be gathering the hair from the side here and adding it to this section. I'm then going to put it over and do the same on the other side. You're going to be crossing over to the middle section here, and you want to be very mindful of how taut you're keeping the hair to ensure that you're keeping a nice solid braid. And here's our final look of French braids.